शुरू करते हैं।
Hey guys, welcome to ASR Talks. I know it's been very late, but came back with essential one. Hope you'll like it. Nowadays, Snapchat has become our daily routine. We usually share our feelings through Snapchat to most of our friends. And coming to the streaks, in Snapchat, it's holding a huge craze from past years, especially among the teenagers like us. To restore the snap streak again, you need to follow these simple steps as shown in the video. And guys, before going to start this, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to share, like, comment and subscribe my channel ASR Talks and hit on the bell icon to get notified. Alright, let's begin. To get started, firstly you need to open your browser or Snapchat, and like suppose I'm opening Google Chrome, and you need to type for support.snapchat.com. After typing support.snapchat.com, you can see the interface like this. You can observe many options like using Snapchat, snapstreaks, my account is hacked, and here you can see the option contact us. You need to click on that. After clicking on contact us, here you can observe an option called I lost my snapstreak. Select on that. After selecting that, you need to scroll down, and here you can observe the interface in which the details need to be filled by you. And here in the username section, you need to type your username, and in the email section you need to type your email, like your email@gmail.com. and in the mobile number section you need to type your mobile number including country code, like and after typing mobile number, here you can include your device brand like Vivo Y11, and here friend's username, limit 1 per submission. You can only type the username of one friend, like friend username. After typing friend's username, and here you can observe when did you start having this issue. Like if you observe there is a disappearance in snapstreak today morning, you can write today in that section, or or if you observe the disappearance in snapstreak on some particular date, you can also type the date using the following order, like I am typing today. And how long was your snapstreak before it expired? Let us say like 50 or 100. And did you see the glass or icon? Here you need to be very careful. You need to select no. And here what information should we know? In order to give additional information, you should type some information like my friend and I are using Snapchat and have been maintaining snapstreaks as a part of our friendship, and it's really important to us. But unexpectedly, when I opened Snapchat today morning, as a part of my routine, I observed that there is a disappearance in my snapstreak, and I didn't even see the glass or icon. on the interface. Please try to restore my snapstreak as soon as possible. Thank you. And after typing like this information, you need to click on send. After clicking on send, you will receive your confirmation email within few hours or minutes, and after that you can see that your Snapchat streaks will get restored. Thank you.
खत्म।
बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया।